are going to love the 2015 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, day and night rear view mirror, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.